Have you ever stepped inside a metro station so stunning it feels like entering a futuristic movie scene? Welcome to Gangxia North Station, a masterpiece of modern metro design. Today, we're taking you along as we experience the station from a traveler's perspective, starting with something many visitors wonder about. How easy is it to buy a metro ticket? From there, we'll step inside this architectural marvel and showcase the stunning design that makes Gangxia North one of the most impressive metro stations you can visit. Our journey continues as we ride toward Huaqiangbei, a district known around the world as China's Silicon Valley of hardware, where innovation, technology, and endless electronics markets create one of the most unique shopping districts on the planet. Make sure you stick around until the end, because this area is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. If you enjoy discovering amazing places, simple travel tips, and hidden gems around the world, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's start exploring together.
Let's get down to the metro. Can you guess the station we're at? The Gangxia North Station. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Hey, keep in mind this is a metro station, guys. Not an airport or anything. Metro station. Ah, how cool is that? I've got even music playing down here. The floor is so clean you could eat from it. Wow. So in there is something we want to see, we want to show you. And we also want to get to Huaqiang North, Huaqiangbei. So we need to buy some tickets now. One station, it's going to cost us 2 yuan. Let's see what we can do here. In English is always good. There we go. So we do line 8, for example. And we want to go to Gangxia North. This is where we're at. And we go here. Boom. One station. Costed 2 yuan. Ticket quantity. Ticket quantity. Ah, here. Free. Free tickets to Huaqiang. QR code pay. Oh my god, this is genius. I wish this was so easy everywhere in the world, I'm telling you. Okay, now let's scan that. So we go to our scan. We scan that on our Alipay or Weixin Pay, the WeChat you can use too.
It is okay to ask for help as well.
Customer service. It's one payment machine. It won't accept Alipay or Weixin, so we had to come in here. Let's see. Through security control, picking up our stuff on the other side, maybe. There's that stop. We have to check the water because they have to screen the water. And it turns out that Fee had like 5 bottles of water, like all semi-open and half. And I had one too, so we had some fun scanning water bottles. Yes, now. Right, went to the customer service desk and we got coins instead. So how does that work? Really? Just put it on? Alright. Ah, that works. Now, line 2 is that way and the view is this way. Here we are. Just your normal subway station. Anywhere in the world. Nah, only here. I can tell you that. How cool is that? We keep on going. Because we need line number 2 or 8 basically. This whole station is gigantic. 2 and 8 that way, 2 and 8 there. And here's some other small openings. It's actually really to leave some natural light into the subway station. So nice, it's so well made. Crazy, unbelievable. And easy to navigate, I can tell you that. Even I find a way. 2 and 8, there you go. Perfect. Line 2 and 8. Oh my god, this is really made for people like us. Stupid foreigners not knowing what they're doing. Finding their way anyway, right? Even if you don't know, you're gonna find it. Well done. Very, very well done. hold on. First problem we encounter. It's either left or right. Do we have to choose the direction maybe? Wait, hold on. No, it's the same. Same. So this is easy to understand. You are here, this train is going there. This is where we want to go anyway, so it's pretty simple. Also the map here, you see the red point, and it basically shows it's going to those stations. Something we just figured. Line 2 and 8 is actually the same thing. Only line 2 goes this side and line 8 goes that side. This is how simple it is. So you don't do any mistakes here. There is the train coming. Wow, nice. You see even the color coding on the train is actually the same than your line. This is so simple, made really for mass transportation. Nothing to go wrong. In theory, basically. Okay. Let's go. They don't wait for us. Perfect. Oh my god, it's nice and chill. Hey, this is actually air conditioned. Look at it. This thing is clean. It's clean. There's no graffiti. Nope. Seen any drunk people either. Wow. This is modern. Nice, clean, safe. I wonder what those guys are doing right, what we are doing wrong. So, after this way, next station. Alright, one station done. This is us. Let's get out. Let's dive into electronics. Off we go. Then of course you need to know which exit to take.
Please hold the hammer.
That is something we don't. There's a sign. Let's read that. So what do we have here? South side of Senhua Road, Beauty Store, Shenzhen Central Park. Let's go to the east side of Huaqiang North Road. Okay, we decided to try exit B. Worst case, we just run around like a headless chicken like we always do. So now is the time we will know if we did right or wrong. Let's see. Still have no clue. Okay, this is like expensive shops. And yep, here we have all the little, oh yes, here, yes, we are right. There we are. Right here. Alright, my friends, you see where this is going. Absolute madness. We have already the buyers here buying electronics. This is your El Dorado. This is where you get everything. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. See what we have here. Phones, phone cases. Apple dish. So here's your phone workshop. They can't fix it, nobody can. The amount of phones, used phones, gadgets, accessories, it is out of this world. This is crazy. Wow. It's just the first door we went in. To the second floor in this building. You got the wholesalers, you see. Then pack it, wrap it, and ship it right away. So if you're into opening electric store, electronic store, you come here. Alright. Two glass fixed. New cover for the phone. It's kind of funny with this place. On one side you have the super modern, super brands, like the super expensive stuff, and on this side, well, you have quite affordable stuff. How cool is that? You get everything, Ferrero Rocher and you name it. Here we got the drones, all kind of gadgets. cool. The VR. Really cool product all the way around. So from toys to speakers to everything, watches, headphones, you name it. If you go through here, past the flashy blinking LED lights, get into household, chocolates, you name it. The traffic of scooters here, absolutely ridiculous. And you know I don't like them. Hey, me and scooters, no friends. They come from everywhere and they come fast. You don't hear them. So we took an escalator down, which we thought would lead us to the metro. Guess what? It did not. It leads us to the underground shopping street. Underground shopping street. Okay, so you, until now, lots of empty space, I have to say. See if it gets any better. Looks like over there are some shops.